Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you hidden Android features. So in this video I'm gonna show you some Android hidden features which you don't need to install an app. So the first one is the Gboard. If you just go anywhere and type anything, just like I'm going here, and if I type anything, if you just long press on your space button and if you just slide it like this, you can just go forward and backward like this. Now if you want to select any special characters, just long press on the 1 2 3 button in the bottom left and just glide it like this, and you can just do it like this. Now the second trick is, if you want to just read some article, you can read it by saying, "Hey Google, read these articles for me."
Got it.
From Britannica. Anime.
And after that Google will read this article for you and you can just hear it from Google. Now the third trick is, you can just make your phone in one-handed mode. So for that you can just go to your phone settings. Now just scroll and click on additional settings. Now here you can see one-handed mode, click on it. Now just selecting this option, you can just make your phone one-handed mode, and by this you can just use your phone by only one hand. You can make it like 3.5 inches, 4.5 inches and 4 inches. There are three options here. So guys, that's the hidden useful tricks. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.